Jobs for teenagers can be found in 2022 without leaving the comfort of your own home, especially your own room. So which are the best online jobs for teenagers right now? If you're wondering how to generate income stream as a teen without leaving your home, you must know that not all internet jobs for teenagers are created equal. Some of the best jobs for teenagers provide flexibility, teach you a useful transferable skill, and pay extra. So, let's have a look at 5 best ways to make money as teenagers. 1. Take survey online. Want to make your opinions known while also earning extra money? There are many paid online survey sites that value your feedback. You would be assisting businesses in making their products and services more appealing by completing surveys. You won't get rich from your income, but you can do it throughout your high school breaks. Every month, you may earn enough money to buy a video game, especially for Xbox or PlayStation. 2. Get paid to review songs. Do you enjoy listening to music and posting reviews online? You'll enjoy your teen job. Many sites will pay consumers to review songs, ads, clothing, and other items. Your feedback assists brands, record labels, and artists in shaping their products before they go online. You are compensated based on the quality of your review and your star rating on the site. You'll receive your money usually using your PayPal account, and you'll be able to pay out once your account hits $10. 3. Start blogging. Blogging will not instantly put money in your wallet, but it may provide continuous stream of passive income in the future. If you are passionate about a certain niche and have learned a lot about it, you may share your knowledge by learning how to create your own blog. Then, by driving traffic to your blog via Google, Bing, or Yahoo, you can earn money from advertisements, affiliate connections, or even by creating your own online courses. 4. Start a YouTube channel. It's a lot of fun to be a YouTuber. You'll need to build an audience before you can start making money. However, this is an excellent moment to begin developing YouTube videos for your channel. The most important thing you'll need is a strong interest in your niches. Your excitement and passion for your niches, whether it's video games, or comedy, or education, might draw visitors to your YouTube channel. Your options to generate extra money through Google AdSense ads and affiliate marketing will expand as your audience increases. 5. Get paid to test website. Users are required by businesses to evaluate websites and mobile apps before and after they go live. Otherwise, how would they be aware of frequent issues that consumers may encounter? If you want to test websites and apps, try platforms such as user testing. These websites typically have a minimum age requirement 17 or 18 years old. They pay on a per-review basis, so you may work on your own time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.